Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into the internals of my Colorful P Elove 15 laptop. This beast packs an Intel i7 13th Gen processor and an RTX 4060 GPU, and while it's already a powerhouse, sometimes you need a little extra boost with more RAM or storage. So, in this video, I'll be showing you how to safely open up the back panel to make those upgrades. Let's get started. Before we dive in, make sure you have a small Phillips head screwdriver and a plastic pry tool to avoid scratching the casing. And always remember to ground yourself to prevent any static damage. Alright, the first step is removing these screws on the back panel. There are about number of screws in total, so make sure to set them aside safely as we'll need them later. Once the screws are out, use the pry tool to carefully pop off the back panel. It might be a bit tight, so take it slow. Now that the back panel is off, let's take a look inside. Here's where you can see the RAM slots and the M.2 SSD slots. The laptop comes with describe the default RAM and storage configuration, but if you want more performance or storage space, here's where you'd make those upgrades. To add more RAM, locate the RAM slot. For storage, you can add another M.2. Storage, you can add another M.2. Storage, you can add another M.2 SSD right here, point to the slot. Just align it, push it in, and secure it with a screw. To add more RAM, locate the RAM slot. And gently insert the new module at an angle, then push it down to secure it in place. Once you've made your upgrades, it's time to put the back panel back on. Carefully align it, press it down to snap it in place, and then screw everything back in. There you go. You successfully upgraded your Colorful P Elove 15 laptop. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech content. If you have any questions about upgrading your laptop, drop them in the comments below and I'll be happy to help. See you in the next video.